Well, the devastating coronavirus outbreak in India, breaking new records over the weekend. Authorities reporting more than 400,000 cases for the first time on Saturday. A new record high number of deaths were also reported on Sunday in New Delhi. Court officials say they will start punishing the government if supplies of oxygen are not delivered to hospitals. Meanwhile, Hoosiers coming together to help out.
Yeah, we first told you about a local agency raising money last week. News 8's multicultural reporter Katira Winfrey learned of the new efforts underway because of that story, Katira.
Well, Brooke and Phil, the India Association of Indianapolis told us minutes after the story aired last week they received a donation. The amount was enough to help multiple families. And though financial assistance is helping, there is an even bigger need. The images from India being shown around the world still don't quite illustrate the devastation and cost of the COVID-19 outbreak.
As the surge definitely has to hit peak at a certain point, which we're expecting the next couple of weeks. But I think it will have a lasting effect for months.
It's being called the worst COVID outbreak the world has seen. And if something isn't done to stop it, the world could feel its impact. Experts say if the virus continues to spiral out of control, it'll have time to mutate. And if it does, it could happen in a way that our current vaccines won't be effective.
Because we really didn't know the magnitude of what was going on in India. Because it was doing well until recently.
Ajay Panagadi is the chairman of the India Association of Indianapolis. The organization created a fundraiser to help India. This hits close to home. His father died during India's first COVID wave, and his mother is still there. The need to help the country comes from different angles. As a native Indian to now a physician on the front lines treating COVID patients in the United States.
Our campaign started literally the day you called me.
He says a week into the fundraiser, they've raised $15,000 and now have 5 oxygen concentrator machines to send to India. With the oxygen shortage, Panagadi says these machines are helpful because they can create oxygen from room air.
If you look at the data, American citizens are the most generous in the world.
And tomorrow, President Biden is implementing travel restrictions on travel to the U.S. from India. Americans, lawful permanent residents, and humanitarian workers are exempt. You can find out more about local efforts to help India inside this story on WishTV.com. Reporting in the studio, I'm Wish TV News 8's multicultural reporter, Katira Winfrey.